On the Xero Pure, Xero Pure Max, any of the Xero systems, the water coming from the faucet goes into this fitting. It's a garden hose swivel. You can see it's loose. It has threads inside here with a rubber washer. When you screw your garden hose in, if it doesn't go far enough in and press against this rubber, you're going to have leakage around the outside. So if your garden hose does not fit snug, you can add another rubber washer in here to take that space up so that's tight. If this is not tight, it is going to leak here. It works off compression, the brass against the brass. So make sure that the garden hose that you are using is pulling this snug. If not, you need to put another rubber washer in here to prevent the leakage.